When the water finally receded, what remained shook across 14 countries, one of the deadliest natural disasters. Some mornings get written into history forever. No warning. No sign. December 26, 2004 was one of those mornings. Families relaxing on the beach. Tourists on holiday. Fishermen already out at sea. No one had any idea that within a few hours, the ocean itself would become a weapon. And the most terrifying part? The world didn't even have a warning system to stop it. Near the island of Sumatra in Indonesia, the Indian Ocean was calm. Morning sunlight shimmered on the water. On Thailand's beaches, tourists were eating breakfast. In Sri Lanka, people were walking to temples and churches. In coastal villages across India, fishermen had already pushed their boats out to sea. Everything looked normal, on the surface. But beneath the ocean, two massive tectonic plates had been pressing against each other for decades. At around 7:59 a.m. local time, that pressure finally broke. The earth ruptured along nearly 1,200 kilometers, one of the most powerful earthquakes in recorded history. The seafloor lifted several meters in an instant, and billions of tons of water were set into motion. Unlike Japan, the countries around the Indian Ocean had no tsunami warning system in place. The earthquake happened, people felt it, but most assumed it was just another tremor. No one knew that deep in the ocean, a wave had just been born, one that would reach the shores of 14 countries within the next 2 hours. On the beaches of Phuket, Thailand, something strange began to happen. The sea suddenly pulled back. Fish flopped helplessly on the exposed sand. Many tourists found it fascinating, some grabbed their cameras, some pointed it out to their children. They didn't know the ocean wasn't retreating. It was only pulling in a breath. Then a white line appeared on the horizon. Within seconds, that line became a wall, over 10 meters high. The water swallowed resorts, fishing villages, markets, everything in its path. Cars were swept away, buildings collapsed, families tried desperately to hold on to each other. Within minutes, the coastlines of Sri Lanka, India, Thailand, and even Somalia had been changed forever. When the water finally receded, what remained shook the entire world. Over 200,000 people lost their lives across 14 countries, one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. Entire families, entire villages, gone within hours. These weren't just numbers. Behind every number was a life, a story, a family that would never be whole again. This tragedy taught the world a hard truth: no matter how advanced technology becomes, it means nothing if it doesn't reach every corner of the world. In its aftermath, a new tsunami warning system was built across the Indian Ocean. Coastal communities were trained to recognize the signs. The world learned that ignoring nature's warnings can be the costliest mistake of all. December 26, 2004 will always remind us of one thing: even when the ocean looks calm, we must stay alert. Because nature does warn us. We just have to learn to recognize it. If this story moved you, make sure to subscribe to EVACORIUM, so we can keep bringing you real, powerful stories like this one.